Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Apple TV model and that you have the Apple ID password ready. This is important because erase all content and settings ties to your account. Once done, make sure the device is plugged into stable power and connected to the network so the reset won't fail mid-process. Now open Settings, go directly to System or General on older models, and prepare to select Erase all content and settings. That's the only built-in route to fully reset. You now perform the reset itself. In Settings, choose System, then Erase all content and settings. When prompted, pick the Erase option. Sometimes you can keep Select Network Settings, but choose Full Erase to return to factory state. Confirm the action twice. This removes apps, accounts, and preferences. Once confirmed, the device will reboot and show a progress indicator. Let it finish without interrupting power. If you need to re-authenticate, have your Apple ID and password ready, because activation lock may require them. Once the erase completes, you'll walk through setup. Connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, sign in with your Apple ID, and reconfigure Siri and TV settings. Restore from iCloud if you want previous data, or set up as new for a clean start. Make sure apps download fully and you test streaming. If the reset hangs or fails, unplug the Apple TV and wait 10 seconds, then reconnect and retry. If it still won't complete and your model supports it, perform a restore using a Mac or PC with Apple Configurator or iTunes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.